Hello everyone, today we're gonna talk about the ASUS ROG Phone 9, a smartphone built for gamers and power users who want nothing but the best with cutting-edge hardware, immersive visuals, and powerful gaming features. This phone is set to redefine mobile gaming. Let's get on the review. When it comes to the visual, the ROG Phone 9 boasts a stunning 185Hz AMOLED display with HDR support, delivering crisp visual and ultra-smooth gameplay. Combined with front-facing dual stereo speakers, it creates an immersive experience that pulls you deeper to your favorite games. And with a 1 millisecond touch response rate and air trigger shoulder buttons, you'll enjoy lightning-fast reactions and intuitive controls. Under the hood, the ROG Phone 9 is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, the fastest processor in the Android smartphone right now. ASUS claims a 45% improvement in CPU performance and a 40% boost in GPU power compared to its previous generation. With that said, I also have screenshot some of the benchmark results so that you can take a look at it. The phone features an advanced cooling system with a 57% larger graphite sheet, ensuring sustained performance even during long gaming sessions. When it comes to temperature, it is really cool and stable while maintaining a smooth 60 FPS experience in demanding games, such as Genshin Impact. Whether you're exploring fantasy world or battling in competitive shooters, every frame looks good and stunning.
The ROG Phone 9 comes with a 5800 mAh battery that supports Quick Charge 5.0 and PD charging.
ASUS promises to extend playtime, and when it's time to recharge, it came with a 65-watt Hypercharge adapter that gets you to full in under an hour. This is great for gamers who are always on the go and in need their devices ready at moment's notice. The ROG Phone 9 is packed with gaming-specific features like X-Sense, which helps you to identify key in-game moments, and X-Capture, which automatically records your highlights. This is a great tool for streamers and content creators. While gaming is the star, the ROG Phone 9 camera system isn't far behind. The 50-megapixel OIS primary camera comes with enhanced stabilization for smooth videos and detailed shots. Though it is clear the focus of the phone is always on gaming, but this time around, they give some attention to the camera and photography as well. In conclusion, the ROG Phone 9 delivers unparalleled performance, immersive visual, a pretty good camera, and features tailored for gamers. So whether you're a pro gamer, streamer, or just someone who wants the best Android experience, this phone set a new standard for mobile gaming. And that's pretty much about it on the review of the ASUS ROG Phone 9. Now before I end the video, we hope that you can subscribe to us, and I shall see you in the next one.